Now, welcome to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Mpo. Welcome. I hope you like it. I hope you will stay. To my returning subbies, welcome back and thank you for choosing your girl again. Welcome to a new vlog, guys. Never mind the noise in the background, I'm doing my laundry. So it is a Saturday. I decided to start my vlog today and I did my lashes last night. I'm actually going to show you that clip after this intro so you can see I did these myself. I'm a lash tech. I know I can be better though, but yeah, I have to, I got a little desk that I need to assemble because you know I need to assemble that. And then I got a rug. You will not believe, guys, I got this rug 4 months ago. I ordered it and paid 4 months ago. I only got it 2 days ago. It has been 4 months of me waiting and fighting with this person to refund me, because I was just like, dude, I will go buy this rug elsewhere. And I was just hearing stories after stories. She couldn't refund me because you got scammed by the courier guy, something along those lines. And at some point I had already like accepted that I lost my money. And it's okay. But my sister was like, this one is crazy. She was just like, listen, I don't want to hear your updates anymore, because your updates are not really updates. Like it's just like excuses after excuses. So the next time we speak is when you send me a POP. And the next time she texted was when she said, your rug will be delivered. I don't even know if I have the right rug. I can't even remember what I ordered, but obviously I can go through our chats to see what I had placed as an order. But yeah, guys, no, I would not recommend. I'm not even gonna mention her thingy because listen, it's fine. Like, maybe I was just unlucky. She was going through her own things, but I feel like it could have been handled better than how it was. But anyway, neither here nor there. So I'm gonna do the desk and then I'm gonna show you guys the rug and hope that it's my rug. So I'm gonna go circle back to the clip from last night when I did my lashes, and then we'll come to today when I do the stuff. How vlog you bye. Guys, I did my lashes. This is how I look. So this is how they look from here. And I went with a size 10, the 10, I think so, because I wanted a very like natural looking. This is the first time I did this. My sister just told me how to do it, and I was like, okay, let me give it a try. I like this eye better. It looks more nicer than this one. I don't know. I hope you guys can see properly from the sides. I am so happy. Like, who it is? Who it is? Yeah. I'll just see how long they last. But yeah. DIY, because yay, go rough. Anywho, I'm gonna call it a night. I'll see you guys. I just wanted to show you my lashes and that I've done it. And please also just rate me as a first timer. Please rate me out of 10. Please. Okay, good night. Okay, so this is the desk. Yo guys, I hope I can do this. This just happened. I broke my glass. Yeah, I think I'm bored. I hope there's instructions or a picture. Okay, so that's A, B. Alright, so important, do not over tighten the pins and screws. I hope y'all can see. Okay, I'm supposed to screw it, but like, how does it? What's with these things? Just go in here. These instructions are very. I'm gonna have to try and crack this by myself because these instructions don't make any sense. Oh my god. This is frustrating. I think I need to have breakfast. Right, let me go get my screwdriver. Because these instructions are not instructing me at all. It's Maki Sin. Maki Sense. What's sense in Afrikaans? The Maki Sin. Is it sin? I need this days to come together. But, because now, this does not make sense. What would be the whole purpose of? Do you know what I mean? We've got that part. How do we tighten and make sure this doesn't come apart? A hole here. There is a hole, but a hole for what? You may ask. I also don't know. I think I need to relax. Ooh. No, guys. I literally have 3 of these left. And there is 1. Okay, there's 1. And like, what's going on here? Why did I think that I would be able to do this by myself? I think I'm gonna eat and gain the strength and try again. I think this is what I'm supposed to do. It seems to be. There we go! Yay! Maybe I just needed to eat. But they legit gave me 8 of those. There we go. Kissing on a pain. I'm a smart girl. Guys, God will show up for you in the most smallest ways possible. I found those things. So these are from my old desk. Like, what was I gonna do? What was I gonna do? It means I was gonna go to the shop, running around looking for these things, spending money that was not part of the plan because they decided to give me 8 instead of 18. I'm telling you, smallest ways he'll show up for you. I'm just saying. This is a killing washing machine. Can you hear how loud my machine is? Please, better yet, get your friends to subscribe and your whole family. And then once YouTube starts paying me, I'll buy a proper machine for all of us. How about that? So you put this upward like this so that the screw can go in and then you're gonna lock it. I think I got it.
2,000 years later.
And We did it, yo. We did it. Feel like sing on my pay. I was close to giving up though, like I won't lie. I was getting so frustrated. But we did it. We did it. Hey, what am I? I am so proud. I'm a proud mother. That key hurt my fingers, but I am a proud mother. How cute is she? And then let me show you the other side. This is how it looks from the front. Love her. We are done. I just need to set up my stuff. I mean, I don't have space, so this is where I'm gonna put her. Because where else? There's no space in this house. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up and then we will open the rug in a bit because I need to catch a breath. Because darling, this is not easy. Oh, let's see. This is the rug I ordered. Guys, you think I'm joking when I said I ordered this 4 months ago? 4 months ago. Does this look dirty or is this how it's supposed to look? Am I tripping? I don't know if it's my eyes, but this is the rag I ordered. I don't think it's dirty. I think that's just, but like this part looks dirty. I don't know, maybe it's just my eyes. Because you see how the gray is clear here and there it's like dark. It looks dirty. I don't know. Hey guys, I come back. I took a shower. I feel fresh. But I'm so tired. Like the cleaning I've done. Azange wa cleana kanje. Like ngicleane. Like I cleaned, hey? I mean, I did a lot. Like the table, whatever. And then I did the dishes and then I cleaned the whole house. And then the bathroom. It was just too much. I'm so tired. But like, that rug is dirty, hey? I looked at the picture. And also like on the left, you can see that it should be like grayish. Like a light gray. But then the other side is like brownish. So I'm just like, I text this girl, I'm like, I finally got my rug, but it's dirty. Like, this person literally takes me for Popeye. Like, I actually can't believe it. And then she says, and I'm like, this looks like it's been used, like it's dirty. I don't understand how it's dirty. And she's like, no, I can promise you it hasn't been used. It probably got dust from the whole mess that happened with the courier guy. So basically, what this person is saying is my rug has been with the courier people for 4 months, basically, and it collected dust for all those months. And she actually had the nerve to send me a dirty rug. If you know that this thing has been missing somewhere and it got to get your products, how are you not checking if everything is still intact, if it's what your client actually ordered? Because clearly you didn't do that. Because if you did that, you're going to see that this is dirty and I can't give this to my client. But no, I'm literally been taken for Popeye. Like, I'm so upset. Like, I actually can't believe it. But anyways, I'm not going to waste my energy there. I don't think people should run their businesses if this is how they treat their customers. And I mean, listen, things happen, things go wrong, right? But in the way that you communicate, because honestly, what I've been getting from her is what sounded like excuses. Like, it got to a point where I didn't respond anymore, because it's just like excuse after excuse. You'll get it next week. Oh no, actually, sorry. Oh, I'll send text and then she doesn't reply. I found this girl on TikTok. Anyway, never again. I've learned my lesson. Yeah, I don't know. She said she's gonna she's on the road. She'll look at my query later or something like that. I don't even think anything's gonna happen. But anyway, we're in bed. It's raining. Got myself some nice homely food. Indulge. I don't even think I'm gonna finish this. And then I'm gonna wash this down with some Oris and sparkling water. You can never go wrong. Anyway, I'm gonna find something to watch, chill, relax, because I did so much. I expect cleaner for the rest of this year. Jokes, but like not at that level, because wow. Anywho, I'll see you guys soon, maybe tomorrow, I don't know. Bye. Another day, another dollar. I don't know, I just did that. Another day, another dollar. It is a Sunday and we are heading out to go watch MUFASA. I'm gonna go watch MUFASA with Nandi. That's what we're doing today. And what? I just need to quickly rush to the mall to exchange shoes. I think I showed you guys the shoes probably in the previous vlog, the black sandals. I didn't even realize that I got a size, like the left foot is a size 7, the other one is a 5. I didn't see that. Excuse me. So I'm gonna try and exchange that or get a refund or whatever it is. And this is what I'm wearing today. I'm putting you guys on a laundry hanging thingy because it's raining, and this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this dress, and I think I've lost weight because it's big. Wait, better love you like I love you. Wait. Guys, I'm so happy. Like, it feels so big. It's even like longer, like lengthwise. But I'm wearing that. I'm wearing this top because it's cold outside, and then I'm wearing my loafers, and I'm gonna be carrying this because obviously I have to have the shoes in here and stuff. I want to change other shoes as well. I want to change those shoes that have asthma. So good luck to me. I hope I will be able to do all of that and make it in time for the movie. We're watching a 1:45 movie. I haven't been to the cinema in so long, apart from Beyonce the last time, but like it's been so long, and I've been craving popcorn from the cinema the whole of last week. So let's go to the movies and watch MUFASA. Bye.
My friends, the time of my family's growth is upon us. Each share is the fulfillment of my father's vision. How wonderful is it that Nala and I get to continue his dream, make even greater the circle of life.
Good morning, another day, another dollar. Another day, another dollar, guys. We're gonna have a Christmas lunch. Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas, everybody. Yeah, so we're just making one salad. We're making a potato salad. Let me show you. And then we're gonna get ready. The next time you guys see me, I'll be all zhuzhed up and dressed cutesy. Let's go. Let me show you what we're making. So we're gonna add mushrooms to our potato salad. We're making it different, okay? And then we're just gonna boil them a bit, and then we'll put them in the oven. And we have peppers and bacon. We just need more bacon. And then the sauces, we're gonna use this garlic sauce, and we're gonna use and then we're gonna use this mayo. We'll see. I'll show you guys when we're done. This is how we're looking. Here I am. I don't have eyeliner, but you get the drift. Here's my little pie. Look how pretty she looks. Why do you look shy?
I'm not shy. I'm just.
You look so beautiful.
Thanks.
Say hi to your people. Tell them you're back.
I'm back in Pat. And how are you?
Yes. Yes. Another day, another dollar. City girls are up. City girls are up. Happy New Year. Jokes. Happy New Year. I mean, not Happy New Year, man. City girls are up. Hope you all are good. I'm doing my nails today. And then, yeah, I'm going to show you that. Because I think they're going to look so pretty. And then, I think I'm going to close the vlog. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you all look good. I will see you when I start with my nails. This is the after. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. If you tell him then, come on. Ngizonika address, nginika ama number. Hey guys, done with my nails. Love them. I think I'm gonna close it here. Gonna go have fry meat. Yeah, but I'm gonna close it here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next one, bye.